Hello teacher, this is the video of our presentation about coffee shop management system. And my name is Sophani, I'm from group A1 and my teammate has Vanda, Chailim, Thieso, Manson and me. And this is the table of our content. And the first one is overview and second data structure, third feature and program, four flowchart, and the last one is demo. And overview. The coffee shop management system is to maintain the order and management of particular coffee shop, and administrator can handle the data and update some information of the coffee. And I think this system really help customer and users like us saving time, reduce human worker, and spend less money to run their shop.
Data structure is a specialized format for organizing, processing, and storing data. This point in our program, we use the body list. We use the body list to store data in the list. It's easy for me, for my team, to improve our program to search or remove option item from list, and we also have file to store and keeping information that provide us in data. When we stop running data, it is easy for my team to read data from file to link this.
In feature of program, we have two main feature. One coffee menu and second is admin panel. In coffee menu, we have two mini feature. First, display menu. In this part, um, it will show you about menu of coffee that show with ID of coffee, name and price of coffee with the lower price for size S only. And then next, ordering coffee. In this, it will require the customer to input their name and ID of coffee and um, the quantity of coffee that customer want to buy. So when we finish, it will print the receipt. Second, we have admin panel. In admin panel, we have two many feature. First, authentication. In this part, it will um, require the user to input their username and password to log in access to system. Then we have CRUD operation. We have add, update, display, and delete coffee item. Add, we can add coffee one by one. Update, we update by ID. Then it will ask you what do you want to update on name or quantity or price, or you want to update all. Then we have cell tracking or daily report. In this point, um, we need to input the data that we want to view. Then it will show you how many cup of coffee that we have sell and the total price of that day. Then we have view history cell. In view history cell, it will show you the name of customer, ID coffee, name of coffee, and quantity and price and total price, and show the date. Then we have view user data. In this point, um, it will show you the name of user or staff, username of user, staff, and password. Then finally, we have view history delete. In this part, it will show you how many coffee that you have deleted. We can view only. Now go next to flowchart. So the program start, it will go to part A. It will show you coffee menu, admin panel, and exit. When we choose a coffee menu, it will give you to ordering coffee. So when we ordering coffee, the system need customer to input their name, ID coffee, and quantity that they want to buy. So if the customer finish the ordering, it will print the receipt for you. Then it go next to part A again. In part A again, if you choose admin panel, it will show you 3 options more: create account, login access, and back to admin. When we go to create account, the system need the user to create the username and password and then confirm password. Then it go to part B again. In part B, if we click login access, it will need the user to input the username and password. So if the username password is true, it will go to the system that show 10 options. They are add coffee, display coffee menu, update coffee item, and delete coffee item, search coffee, view data user data, view his sales history, report daily, and delete history. Then the last one, back to admin. So back to admin, it mean it go to part A again. So this is the um, process of flowchart. So now we go to demo.
For the demo in our program of our project, here now there are a main menu of our cafe shop management. We have 3 options. The first one is cafe menu, the second is admin panel, and the third is exit. Cafe menu is used for a user as a customer. Now I will test an option 1. It will ask you that, do you want to place an order now? If you want to order now, you can put any number out of 0. Now we put number 1. Then it will show the cafe menu that have in our cafe shop. Before an order, you need to input your name. Now I will input my name. Then it will ask you to input an ID of cafe that you want to order. I want to order ID 1, quantity 2, size S. It will show the summary for you about the coffee detail that have a name, size, price, quantity, and total price. And it will ask you that, do you want to order now? Do you want to order more? And yes, I want to order more. You need to input an ID of coffee. I will input ID 3, quantity 1, size M, and here it shows the detail of coffee that we order, and it will ask you that, do you want to order more? I put no, and after that we will get the receipt of our coffee that we order. It will have date of the day that we order coffee, and it will show name of customer, and it will have an coffee detail, cappuccino, espresso, price, size, quantity, and total price. And now I will go back 0. I will test on option 2. Option 2 is used for user as an admin. Here there are 3 more options. The first one is login access, second is create account, and the third is back to main. And before we log in, if we don't have an account, we need to create account. Now I will create account. Number 2, username, we will put my name. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Create successfully. After create account successful, we can log in access. Now put number 1. We need to put a username, and then you need to input a password. For the password, we mask the password to prevent the user can see the number of password. login successful. After login successful, now we are in the admin panel that have a lot of features.
So this is the menu admin panel. So we have to log in first. Number 2, and I already have account which is name admin and the password is admin123. So in the admin panel we have 10 function. The first one is add new coffee. So we're gonna test it. I'm gonna give the ID for 18. The name of the coffee, just let's say testing, and the price is $2. Quantity 20, and add a new coffee successfully. So they will ask, do you want to add more coffee? So if I click on 0, it will stop, but if I click on number 1 or anything else, it will continue. So let's continue. 19, testing 2, and the price is $3, which quantity 10. And now let's tap on 0. And number 2, display the coffee. So this is the coffee that I just added. Has small size, medium size, and large size, and the price over here. And let's go back. Let's say I want to update this one. Update coffee number 3. So I'm gonna update 18. Okay. And do you really want to update this coffee? Yes. And they ask me, what do I want to update? So let's say I want to update the name, number 1, and enter new name, cannot use space. So let's put testing newer. Yep, it's right, and click on enter. So let's display it again. Testing newer. So yeah, it's worked just fine. So let's go back by clicking on 0. Now we have function 4, which is delete a coffee. Number 4. Let's say I want to delete 90. Let's say this one, number 4. So I have to enter the ID, and I have to confirm it to make sure that it is the right one that I want to delete. Yes, coffee has been deleted. So I have to tap on 0 to go back and display it again. Now number 4 is gone. Now let's go back. Number 5, search coffee. So at this part we have to search it by ID. Let's put number 18, and we have testing newer, and we can put 0 to go back. So now let's touch on function number 6, which is report daily. So at this part they're gonna ask you to enter the date that you want to know. So let's enter the day of today. Let's see how many coffee have we sold today. So you have to input the date here, and they will show you how many coffee have been sold today on this date, and the total price. So we have to input number 0 to go back, and let's test on number 7, view history sale. So this is what we have sold today. It has size, price, quantity, and total price. And we have to click on 0 to go back as usual. And number 8, view data user. We can see who's the admin here and their password over here. 0 to go back as always. So for the function 9, we use it for view delete history. So number 9. So this is the item that I have deleted from the previous, and we have to put input number 0 to go back. And number 10, go back to the menu part. So this is it. This is all about admin panel.